Hi everyone, my name is Bryleigh. I'm a technology education major at SUNY Oswego. I chose this major because I was guided by my technology teacher and field hockey coach. She really pushed me in this direction because I love doing stuff with my hands. I love being creative, and this field allows me to make an impact and inspire other students to do the same exact thing. My favorite class is Computer Integrated Manufacturing. It's where we learn how to use CNC technology or CAM and CAD software, and it allows us to basically design whatever we want. I made a lightsaber last semester. How cool is that? What other classes can you make a lightsaber as part of your capstone project? So outside of class, I'm a member of the Oswego Technology Student Association. We go all over the nation to compete in various events like manufacturing, communications. It also offers great networking opportunities. We get job offers. After Sugo, I will go into teaching. I can go anywhere in New York State. I'm going to get my master's from SUNY Oswego. So once I have my master's, I'll be all set. And that's technology education in 60 seconds.